Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make Pinchos Morunos. That is Spanish pork skewers. Here I got 350 grams of beautiful pork tenderloin, which I'm gonna cut into lengthwise first. Then I will chop this up into cubes of about a couple of square centimeters size. This'll do. The marinade, also very important, especially in a dish like Pinchos Morunos. So here I got freshly chopped garlic, some peppercorns, black pepper that is, a little bit of sea salt, ras al hanout, Moroccan spice, a blend of many spices, and some additional spices like cumin, which is already in the ras al hanout, but I like to use some more. Turmeric, cayenne pepper for the spice, thyme must be one of my favorite Mediterranean herbs, coriander, like a fresh green herb that is, and last but not least, pimenton, Spanish smoked paprika. Good amount of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna grind this. Pestle and mortar. It's a very convenient kitchen tool. I'm gonna mix the pork with the marinade. So put these cubes in there and then I'm gonna mix it with my hands. I personally think this is the best method because you can mix the meat and the marinade very thoroughly. Gonna put the marinated pork on the skewers. I think 4 skewers will do with this amount of meat. These Pinchos Morunos look like they're quite ready for my grill pan. The grill pan is hot, so I'm gonna put my pinchos Morunos in there. And of course I got a little problem. My grill pan is too small for the length of the skewers, so I got a solution. I cut off with my scissors some of the top end of the skewer, so now it fits. I'm gonna show you. Oh. Yeah, very good. Yeah, they are doing perfect now. These Pinchos Morunos look like they're done. Four skewers, Pinchos Morunos. I'll add 2 slices of lemon plus a little bit of tomato for extra freshness. Just place it around, and a little bit of basil on the tomato. All these spices together, blended with that pork meat, that pork tenderloin. You don't need no extra additional sauces. Because all the flavor it's already in there because of the spices that Ras Al Hanout spice blend with my additional, of course, turmeric, cumin, what I put in there, black pepper, smoked paprika, pimenton. I'm gonna try a little bit of that lemon for additional freshness. It makes the meat, the dish, even better. That smell of fresh lemon. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.